Attention, Internet Computer ICP holders. If you are still holding ICP right now, I demand your full attention because a massive breakout could be lurking behind the shadows for the Internet Computer ICP price. And it's going to be very important that we discuss this right now, discuss exactly what has been going on for the past few days for the ICP price, and discuss what we could expect next. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump straight into the charts, starting in the daily time frame. And yes, for the past few days, nothing much has happened for the ICP price, and we have essentially been trading sideways within this range right over here, as you guys can see, from around $7.6 until $8. That is the general range we have been trading on for the past couple of days. And we can also make the argument that right now the Internet Computer ICP price is forming this massive consolidation pattern in the daily time frame. And right now we are due for a breakout, which is what we are looking out for right now. So yeah, just a quick mention of the targets. If you do see ICP have a break above this triangle, we could expect a pump towards the upside to a price target of around $13.7. However, if you do see Internet Computer ICP break below this triangle, we could be targeting a dump towards the downside to a price target of around $5.3. So yeah, here are the targets just in case we do see this triangle breakout actually play out. However, if this doesn't play out, the only confirmation I'm waiting for is we must see ICP have a successful break above this recent swing high in order to flip a little bit bullish, because right now, yes, we have formed lower highs right over here, as you guys can see. But if we do only see ICP break above this level, that could be a great start for, you know, the beginning of a new uptrend. So I want to see ICP break this, you know, descending trend line. And once we do so, that could spark the beginning of a new uptrend, and we could continue performing and breaking previous resistances. So yeah, as long as ICP is holding this red support zone, there is essentially nothing to worry about. And that is why I want to move into the longer weekly time frame charts to discuss exactly what is going on and to show you guys a bigger perspective on the chart. So yeah, as you guys can see right now, this red zone is critical support, and like I've said, as long as ICP is holding this level as support, there is essentially nothing that concerns me, and there is nothing to worry about, because yeah, this is essentially the last line of support, and breaking this level of support could break the healthy structure. So right now, yeah, the structure may look a bit rubbish, but the structure is still intact because we have retraced down to this key level where it has acted as previous major resistance. This was a previous swing high right here, and now we held it as support by bouncing off of this level. So far looking good in the long term. However, just be warned that this is the last line of support, and a break below the support zone could be very, very dangerous for ICP, because we would be breaking the healthy structure, and we could dump to as low as $5. And that is why, again, as long as we're above this red zone, there is nothing to worry about. And I am hoping that we would see ICP in the next couple of weeks have a successful break above this recent swing high over here, because once we do so, that could spark the beginning of a new uptrend, as I've said a couple of seconds ago. So yeah, if you guys are wondering about my targets for ICP in this bull cycle, well, we are targeting $100 per ICP in this bull cycle before the beginning of the next bear market, and that would place ICP at around a $50 billion market cap, which is about a 10x ROI from the price we're at right now. So yeah, those are my personal targets. Obviously, your targets may differ from mine. So if you have different targets, be sure to comment them down below. I'm genuinely curious about your personal targets. Are they higher than mine, or are your targets lower than my personal target right here? Comment them down below, because I want to know if your targets are higher than mine or lower than mine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Drop a like, and if you enjoyed subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.